Hello everyone, Dr. Joan Coleman here, owner director of Let Me Be Me, a program which inspires confidence in people of all ages. This morning I was watching a video, a makeup tutorial no less, of this lady called Miss Vi, and it came up in my news feed, so I decided to watch it, and it was so good. Now Miss Vi is an older woman. She had no teeth in her mouth literally, and she didn't have her wig on, and she was talking about her hot flashes and how hot she was and how she was sweating while doing a makeup tutorial. I thought it was wonderful. I thought she was authentic. I thought she was brave, because I don't think I would go on TV without my teeth in or my hair on my head. But she did it, and she was beautiful in doing it. Now, that made me think about how talented we are as people. Maya Angelou has a quote. Let me read it to you real quick. And the quote is, "I believe that every person is born with talent." Every person. She didn't say your aunt. She didn't say your uncle. She said everybody was born with talent. And that, my friend, means you are talented. There is something on the inside of you that you haven't tapped into yet. You know, we as people, we are talented, and we know we're talented, and there are things that we're good at, but we refuse to try. I don't know what makes us so scared and nervous. We won't try, but we are talented, and if you think you're good at singing, I believe you should sing. If you think you're talented and you're good at acting, you should act. If you think you're talented and you could do makeup tutorials, you should do makeup tutorials. Whatever it is you think you're good at, if you're passionate about it, go ahead and do it, and let your authentic self shine through. I bet you will touch people's lives, and you will be so happy doing what you do. Listen, you are talented. Try and find your passion. Think about it and just try and do it. You got me? You feel me? Anyways, this is Dr. Joan Coleman of Let Me Be Me, a program which inspires confidence in people of all ages. You are talented. Don't forget it.